Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make car exhaust flames with a shadow easily in After Effects. Let's begin. First let's click on Track Camera, then make sure to expand Advanced and check Detailed Analysis and wait until analyzing is done. It's done, but as you see there are no points and it happens sometimes. Don't worry because we can fix it by simply changing shot type from Fixed Angle of View to Specify Angle of View, then set Horizontal Angle of View to 45. And here are all the points. I will scroll forward until I see some more points right on the exhaust and then select all of them. Now right-click on selected points and select Create Solid and Camera. Now let's drag and drop a flame footage. Check this video's description to download it for free. Enable 3D on the flame layer. Now to ensure that the flame is tracked accurately, select the Track Solid layer and press P on the keyboard to reveal the position. Now copy the position and paste it onto the flame layer. Let's scale the flame layer until it looks fine. Then correct the rotation and the position if needed. You can also drag the flame layer to set where you want the effect to start. For example, let's say I want it to start here. I will slightly correct the position and then we can toggle off the solid layer since we don't need to see it anymore. Once you are happy with the position, rotation, and the size, we can duplicate the flame layer if there are two exhausts like in my case. Now let's drag it on another exhaust and then slightly correct the position. We can also adjust the timing, since we don't need the flames to be perfectly synced. Let's quickly check it. Looks fine and now we can add shadows. Let's duplicate one of the flame layers and then select the bottom one and rename it to Shadow. Drag the shadow layer down onto the ground like this. Now apply a fill effect on it. Change color to black. Set the opacity to 40%. Let's apply camera lens blur effect. Change blur radius to 40. And the first shadow layer is ready. Let's simply repeat the same process with another flame. To apply all the effects, we can copy the first shadow layer's effects and paste them onto the other one. Let's quickly check it. Looks so cool to me. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.